Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to add data validation in Microsoft Excel. First thing first, click and highlight the cells or range where you want to apply the data validation rule. Go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon, then click on Data Validation in the Data Tools group. Or use the shortcut. You can press Alt plus D plus L or press the keys separately, not simultaneously. In the Settings tab of the Data Validation window, under Allow, choose what type of data you want. And under Data, select the condition, then enter the minimum and maximum values of list entries you want to allow. You can also optionally check Ignore Blank if you want to prevent empty cells, then click OK or continue to the next tabs for more options. Now go to the Input Message tab and click or check Show Input Message when cell is selected. Enter a title and message, and this will appear when the user clicks on the cell to guide them about what to enter. For example, title, enter age, and message, please input an age between 18 and 60. Now go to the Error Alert tab, then check Show Error Alert after invalid data is entered. Choose an alert style like Stop, which is strict, prevents invalid data entirely. Warning allows invalid data after confirmation and information, informs the user but allows invalid entries. Add a title and error message, then click OK. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.